Okay, a little bit of a late jump here. Let's see where we're at. Going down. Oh wait, but I think we're going down. Let me see what my 1 hour is doing. So we've already broken this trend line here. Created a fair value gap going up. This could be a target here at 277. So a little late to the game here, so I just kind of jumped in preemptively, basically because of we had this 2 push reversal signal here, but it might have reached its end of its run. I want to get into more of a risk-free situation as soon as I can, but we did create a fair value gap to the downside and inverted the 1 minute fair value gap. Look at our high time. We are in a downtrend. Could we come all the way down to 7077? We are kind of wicking back up. Let me see where my target is. This is an up candle here. 7048. We already came up. Oops. We're in a risk-free trade in case it wants to turn around on us, but I guess this is my target. So I already came up from this. That's the daily. 48. 1, 2, 4, 7. That could be a nice level. We're in a downtrend. I'm making a fair value gap. We are not making a we're holding this fair value gap up top here. A lot of down signals. Need to make a fair value gap. Breaking this low would be a good sign. Okay, we broke that low. That's nice. $4.9. That's a big ways down there, but probably going to take out this stop loss here. Risk-free trade though. I want to go ahead and lock in some profit. We did wick above this, but it wicked back, so it's kind of rejecting off that. I'm gonna take a profit. Took some profit today. Get me started here. Looks like it might come back to test this area. Do not have any a little bit of indecision there. We get that strong big push, which I don't like that because it is, might tag it in here. Okay, see if it's gonna tag it in here or reverse. Not in yet. Okay, double down again here. Getting risk free as soon as we can. We might be on the end of this run here. However, we did make a new low. We have a nice strong push. Okay, we're in a risk free now. See if it wants to go this time. No. Oh, should have got in. I missed it. I would have bought in there as a sell. Got out of it real quick, but it's okay. So let's figure out where we're at. We wicked up quite a bit there. I'm gonna hop in. And I'm gonna double down here. Okay, we're down. We're in 2 now, so we're gonna put. Oh my goodness. We're in 2, so we'll double down here. This is a crazy run, so it's not really looking good at this point, unless this is like a liquidity sweep. But we may be. At some point, I think after a big move like that, it'll want to reverse. However, on the 1 hour, we got these huge wicks. We're rejecting pretty heavy. Still got 12 minutes to work on this. Yesterday, I doubled down very riskily. Ended up working out, but I don't know what my drawdown was, but I think it was like around 1,000, so I almost gave back all my profits, but it ended up working out, and I did almost 400 yesterday. And I do want to avoid it, but I don't know. It seems like it is been working. I mean, it's kind of a high risk, I guess, but I guess I want to see if I just continue with that strategy, where that'll get me, and then where I can make some changes in the future, tweaks to my strategy. But so far it seems to be working. Now, if I had a bigger account, I think I would do it with a little bit more confidence, because they basically keep doubling down, bringing that price level closer to the price action, and making it higher probability that it's going to hit that take profit with a slight profit, as opposed to taking a bunch of losses and it's basically just winning. So what I'm trying to do is get out of this trade, get into a risk-free situation again as soon as possible, and then wait for it to take off and run a little. So if this takes profit here, or if this tags this order in, then that will bring my take profit line here, and then I'll put my take profit just to get a point until I get out of the trade, which will move my take profit line back down, and then I can get in a risk-free trade, hopefully at the bottom of a reversal. So almost want to tag this one here. Almost, there we go. So now I'm in a sell, so I want to do a buy with 1 point. And if it takes it, okay, I'll just get a point. But if it holds that fair value gap, then I'm good too. I fucked up that. I'm getting by here. Oops. Did it 2 times, which I make a mistake there. So now I'm in twice. That was a little. I like to be kind of reactive, but a little slip of the button there. This is where we could get a little hairy. So May 8, that's 5, 6. Get a little bit closer. I'm in 4 now, so I want to get out of 3. And if it continues to go up, then I'm going to double down again. Well, it's not that much. So I'm back in a little bit more riskier trade than I was hoping to be in. I'm escalating this more than I'd like to, but it was an accident on my bad. Otherwise I'd have been out of this trade. We're going to test that fair value gap. Hopefully mitigate it, really. If I mitigate this fair value gap, then there's a chance that it might be going down. We'll see if I blow my count today. It's a big move. We broke these kind of recent highs there. So, let me see. escalating this more than I like to. I'm down 180 bucks. I want to keep my eye on my losses there, but I have a decent account now. That is still pushing up. Okay, this is really going the wrong way. I'm down 400 bucks now. I think that's the maximum that I want to risk here. Hopefully it'll come back. If not, I'm fucked. My 1 hour has switched. That's what I'm a little scared about now. This big wick should have been an indication. Actually, I should not be in this trade at all. It was just a slip of the button, really. And I doubled down on it. Just too much. And 22. I'm totally on the other end of this. Just hoping for a pullback. Got a fair value gap that it's contending with, but hopefully it will reverse this fair value gap. There, come on. We're still holding that fair value gap. I want to see it come back now, but it's not. Okay. Almost there. I could have gotten out of it, really. Okay, now I'm down at 400 bucks. Oh, oops, messed up again. I just blew my account. Okay, so I just maxed out my loss or something? That sucks. That sucks. Well, it's good to know. This is part of my test. I'm down 1,500 bucks. What are you trying to do? I got it. Okay. So, oopsies. I think it is going down from here now. So it seems like it does kind of limit you to how much you can lose for some reason. Now I'm in a hole now. Pretty big hole today. Let's see if I can get out of the hole today. If I just do smart trading. So I over leveraged. it kicked me out of the trade. I'm down 700 bucks, which isn't terrible because that's kind of 2 days worth of trading, but it is a pretty big setback. So I'm not quite happy about that. We do kind of get the 1 hour upward candle now, so I should technically be taking longs. We did wick off of that amount of that trade. Got the upward candle now. Going back to doubling down. Okay. Fair value gap there. And the buy now. One point at the bottom of this thing. Let's see where we can go. Maybe to 404. Beyond. What I do want to make sure I'm not doing is starting to change my risk side. The double down is an escalation kind of strategy, but I don't want to. I want to make sure I'm always starting with a low number. If I start now going, well, I'm going to do 2 contracts to go up, I don't want to get into that behavior, that cycle of behavior. So actually, it is one thing with the strategy I've been using is it is risky, which I lost, I'm down 700 bucks today. I could be in good shape though to make a big move all the way up to this 402. I'm starting at 414, so 314. 7406 minus 7316. So that'd be 90 points. It seems unrealistic, I guess, to go all that way, but that times 5, that'd give me 450 back. So, oopsie doopsie, but starting to get out of the hole a little bit. You going to yoga?
No,
No?
I demo straight in front of you.
Huh?
I do demo in front of you.
Wow, I like that. Damn. Wow, what such power.
House,
No. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Easy. Make sure you warm up first.
I cannot concentrate.
Mm-mm. I would like to get back above 2 today. All right, let's continue to reevaluate here. We wicked up. We're going up. Get back in. I'm gonna double down. Almost got out of that trade with profit, but 2 times I hit the wrong buttons. I think I need to be like more awake. Like I just got out of bed and took a shower and got up here, and I'm not really with it. You need to be sharp, that's for sure. Why is it with motion tracking? Okay, there we go. Okay, so we're gonna tag this in, looks like. Another dicey situation. The logic behind this strategy is I'm going to take, it's more likely that it will take profit here, or if it were like a short, I'd be hitting my stop loss, then it would be to take the profit down there. Because one, it's closer, and I think that's the main reason it's closer. I don't know if this is like a scientific way to approach it or not. We did have crazy movement orders. Let's see what our... We do got a lot of buys in here. We kind of had a break and retest on the opening range. So we do not have a fair value gap. I think it's likely it will tack this one out, get me out of one, bring my stop loss up, or bring my profit line up. But if it doesn't, we're just going to continue. This is a strategy I'm testing. It's been successful for up until this point, so I want to see it through. Okay. I'm going to go into a risk-free trade now. 2, 3. Just going for a point here. Looks like it's going to range a bit here for a while, maybe. I gotta be patient, I think, with this, because building a small account, you get closer, you lose half of basically what you built up, then it makes you want to, keep like trading or trade heavier to get that back, to get back where you were. But I think I just gotta figure out what my consistency is and stick with it. Okay, so I'm out of that trade. My 1 hour is now wicking down. I'm getting back in at a little bit of a discount. Do my double down. We are making a fair value gap to the downside, but we got our 1 hour push to the upside. Let's keep an eye on that. Big fair value gap to the downside. We wicked down from this candle. We've created an upward candle here. So we, on this 1 hour push idea, it basically uses whatever the most recent push is and on this 1 hour and the pre-market, and so it was this one, even though it's this big push, you know, make sure I'm sharp here. I'm in 2 now. Oops, not 22. See, it's very easy to make a mistake when I'm trading this way I'm trading. Getting out there. Oh, we're going to double down again. I'm in 5 trades somehow. Not likely that we're going to get back down there or go back up there. So I'm in 10 trades, buys. I want to see if it retraces there, and then the next stop would be 20, which it won't let me do. So I'm figuring out my tolerances here. Now hopefully this will take this. This will be a nice win if it goes. I think it might. And then we'll get into a risk-free trade as soon as possible. If it wants to take it, I got stuck here last time. We did already mitigate this fair value gap, so that's good. That's our new level. If it wants to go higher, if it breaks this, it might want to go higher. So I'm thinking it's going to take that. Okay. Now we can get out a risk-free trade here. Hopefully at the very bottom of this thing. Okay, got out of that. Chipping away at this big loss here. Let's see if we could really rally. I'm getting back in. Well, I'm back in. I'm back in. I'm back in. I'm continuing. I'm seeing this thing through. I'm going to see if this really put this double down strategy to the test. I got my 1 hour here. So I'm taking trades. I'm looking for better positions. We've made some big moves down already, which It's kind of trending down on this candle here, this 1 hour candle. So this 1 hour, we're at 90 here. We got 46 minutes. We were at 272 before. But we're going to just use these simple indicators. Try to keep emotion out of it. Didn't grab it. It's okay too. If it goes up, it's okay. We're okay with it going up. I don't know, what did I do there? Yeah, right at the bottom here. I'd like to see a reverse off of this. Love to see that flip. This 1 hour candle flip. We do have a lot of sells on this candle. We had a lot of buys previously. Okay, we got our risk free now for 2 points. Look, I guess I'm looking for the bottom on this. I don't know that this is smart trading here, but I have made profit going down taking longs. Alright, yeah, in trade. Mining down here. And get in another risk free. Hopefully, I'd like to see it tweezer bottom here before I get in a risk free. It's free, just get it done with. Hopefully it'll tweezer bottom. Two points, might as well go for it. Again, we're using this 1 hour push candle to kind of guide our bias here. Okay. Risk free. I guess I'm waiting for that reversal, but this is now, it's not an official blue, but we are kind of in reversal. It's a preemptive reversal situation. Buying in, it's probably gonna come back down. That was kind of a stupid move. I'm making all sorts of stupid decisions now. I think I'm in my feelings a little bit, but we're gonna keep pushing. What's my, so we're at 130. We are not far into this thing, so it is gonna turn blue on us, I believe. So I'm gonna get into risk free again as soon as we can. We are at this trend line. We broke the trend line. We tested it. Mistake? What was my mistake? Well, my mistake in that trade was basically it did end up coming down. So I got in too high. Actually, it came down so much that I would have been in pretty good profit. If I would have not doubled down too much and just let it come back, it would have been in profit. Let's see what's going on below here. So we're starting to wick up here, which looks nice. Got a fair value gap holding on. Out of that trade. I feel like we are coming down now. I'm gonna go down. This is kind of the bottom of this thing though. I'm getting a little flustered, I think. Indecision. We're pushing back. More sells than we got in this candle. I'm kind of going against my own strategy now. However, we got this here. Wick down, we're kind of making another indecision. If we go up, I think we could get out. So we're in sells at the moment. So we'll put one buy here. Okay, so we're really moving up again. Okay, we're going to buy 3. Are we in sales? We're in sales. Yeah, we're going to buy 3 there. And 4. when it sells. We're in a similar situation we were last time, but we're gonna try to make it work. We're an 8. We need to take that. Let's go. If I would have doubled down earlier, then I would have gotten that where I needed to be. But that would be kind of a reversal tweezer top. Okay, this might get it. We do have a fair value gap, which is pushing up from. This is kind of a healthy pullback to continue up, really. So we could just rock it up from here. We're totally, this is reversing on us. We have not disrespected this fair value gap yet, or mitigated it. I'm in sells. And I'm not sure, it's not looking likely that it's going to continue down now. We've wicked up so much. Crazy price action today, though. I think that's part of why I got it on the wrong side of things, but we're going to see if we can make the best of it. We're down 136 in this trade. Hope to get out of it. Okay, there we go. We got what we need here. Come on, you can do it, buddy. You can do it, buddy. Working all the way back up. Well, it is a good signal that we want to continue further down. Risk-free trade now from a pretty decent position. I guess down here to that would be 20 points down there. I'm pretty good positioning. Got a fair value gap to the downside. The stop loss, or take profit, if you will, the risk-free trade stop loss is on the top side of that fair value gap. So if it wants to take that out, we're already disrespecting that fair value gap, and it's, might want to continue up. So now we are back on track to go down. I gotta figure out where my target is. Might be 747. I got it down on 3.2, right below this low here. So I had a little snafu initially. I'm gonna see if I could get out of the hole a little bit today. I started off hitting the wrong button, and then it just cost me really big and doubled down more than I wanted to. But trying to see if I could work out of this hole. I did $400 yesterday, so I basically lost 2 days worth of progress. I think I'll be happy if I can get back over 2,000 today. Okay, we're waking up now. My exit, I'm getting it. Okay, I'm out with a little bit of profit. I want to take a little bit of profit. I had a feeling it would go back up. Now, my 1 hour is going up now. Nice, strong wick up. The 1 hour is still an upwards trajectory. This was going down for a bit, and now we're making a fair value gap on the 1 minute to the upside, hopefully. Getting a risk-free as soon as possible. Crazy price action today. Still using my double down technique, even though I took a big loss with it. It was really technical error, technical user error, but I think I'm going to stick with the strategy, see how it'll end out today. Wicked crazy down from that. Not looking good, but if I get in here, I'll get it out just as quick, hopefully. So I'm doubling down. We are doubling down again, folks. Back to this continuation. I don't pay attention to that as much as the finalized. What happened here? Flirting with it. No, not really. I don't think that's a fair value gap. Okay, it looks like we might be going back up. Kind of creating a fair value gap. Look back down. This lit up again. It's kind of crazy, dude. Okay. We're in 4 now. We need to get out 3. I'm gonna go. We're in 4, so we're doubling down. It looks like it's gonna go down more. It looks like it's gonna go down more. But you never know. Hopefully we can tag this, get out of this 4-3 trades. Almost wanted to do it. Maybe on the next, got 10 minutes, 10 seconds. If we get one last strong push up. 6, 5, 4, 3. See what the next candle wants to do. It looks like it's going down. We could get a nice push up. We'll see. It's not likely though. I think it's going to go down from here. Our bluish candle is, we got 25 minutes. We're at 2:24. We're going to make this. This is going to be a downward candle. So I'd love to get out of this with a little bit of profit. But it looks like it's going to go down. But we'll try to take something on the way down, maybe. Okay, that's nice. Not gonna get there, maybe on the next candle. 10 seconds if we stay strong towards the end of this. Okay. Looking good to go up a little bit more. Get it a risk-free as soon as we can. Looks like we might break that high. Okay, we might get it. Okay. Now we're in one. Back to a risk-free trade. For a couple points. I would love to see this be the one. Take me all the way to 03. I do kind of got a solid little rally going on though. I mean, if I stayed with it through the day and really worked it, I think I could get back. But I've been really like just trying to get my wins and get done. But I have been having like basically $300-400 days with this small account. Today I lost $800 initially. I've gotten $300 back, it looks like. So luckily I have built up a decent sized account. Okay, we broke that high, making nice fair value gaps. I want to put my target up here. I don't know, this is not all-time highs. We're gonna lock it in for a little more than a point now. It might be reversing on us again. 37. Let's see what the next candle wants to do. It's falling again. It was an up candle for a second. Let's see what our bursts are doing. Okay, we got buys and sells here. I feel like it's going to continue up. We had a market structure shift. Could come down first. We do got a fair value gap. We'll see if it holds. Kind of thinking about getting out with a little bit of profit. I'm out. I'm gonna get out with some profit here. I want to keep chiseling away. I think it might come down a little bit more, or at least pull back a little bit. It is going up. We got some sells stepping in though, so we've already mitigated this fair value gap. Yeah, so we've already gotten $300 back. It's not that bad. Off my big loss, so okay, we're making. I think it looks like we're going to go up. I'm gonna get in here. I'll get in here. It's up 1039. We are kind of in an upward trend now, higher highs and higher lows. In this lower time frame. We had so much buy activity here. My double down should be. Shouldn't be too much. I think I need to keep it minimal. Maybe we push up from here. If I see a fair value gap, I'll go ahead and lock in. Risk free. Could do it already, but we're kind of dancing around. I'm gonna get it. Go ahead and get it. Okay, I'm okay with that. I want to see if it comes down first. Okay, so okay, we're gapping up. I like that. We're going to buy in down here if it wants to come down. I want to see a fair value gap. Ooh, almost got my first free in. It's okay. Okay, well, it might be coming down now. Kind of seems like we're starting to go down again. I don't know if you caught the big loss initially, but we're rallying back. We've gotten halfway back. I like that gap. The gapping up is nice. I want to just see a nice big push and figure out what's the direction. We've been ranging in this crazy wicked area on the hour for a long time. Okay. Universe free here might still come down. Has not made its mind. Okay. Okay, I'm in two. Let's see if I can get out of one real quick. I think it could go up. Should go up. Okay. Risk free. Did that work out? I don't know. Oh well. Let's just get in. Let's just get in. Let's do it. It might be coming down now though. Did not tip it. Did not get it. So we got the 1 hour blue now. So we need to be taking sells actually at this point. We're down 20 bucks. We're gonna try to get out of this. I'm gonna try to get out of this. Maybe I'll just get a point too. Market is crazy today. I'm in three. How'd I get into three? We're escalating a little more than I like to. So, big, strong push down. But we're going to try to make money with the market showing us going down. We're going to try to make money going down. We got a fair value gap. Look down again. 28 seconds left on this candle. Looks like we're moving down again. Some big wicks. And then push down again. Okay, we're gonna get out 1-6, we're going to get out 5, sell 5 here, 6, we're going to do 12, we'll get out of this hopefully. Okay, so now we're here, risk free. For a couple points, I'll go back down here. Risk free. Should kind of get out of it because my signal is going down now. I'm going to get out of it with some profit. I'm actually going to take a sell here. Oops. Our signal is a sell now. Our signal is a sell. Gotta get ready for work here in a second. Risk-free trade now going down, making a nice push. Hopefully it'll make a fair value gap. Just do a point. I'm gonna go above that candle. Okay, so now we're going down. I guess this is my exit point down there. If it wants to go. Okay, out of that trade. Looked up. I want to see it come back to here before I got in again. Getting a little bit early, but I feel like we're selling off. Gonna test that fair value gap again. We'll get into a risk-free again as soon as possible. We had a big wick down. Risk-free. Waiting for that big move. Waiting for that big move. This could be it. We're testing this low down here. Been stopped quite a bit from moving down before. We're breaking that. We want to see it continue now. We're up 40 points. We're getting close to getting back over 2,000, which is, I feel like, is impressive. I mean, I've already gotten back 400 bucks after losing about 800 something on the day. Wicking all the way back up. Not making a fair value gap. Let's see, we got 2 seconds. Made a fair value gap. That's good. Let's see if we hold it. I'm going to take profit here to where if it invalidates that fair value gap, it's not decisive enough to want to continue anyways. That will be a nice little reward too. Okay, so now we're moving down. Gonna take that stop loss, it looks like. Holding on to that fair value gap by a thread. Could take 40 bucks here. I'll let it stop it out, I guess. Okay, and then we want to get back into it at some point. Get back. If it breaks out low, then I'll get into another risk-free. Might as well do it anyways. Okay, took a little bit. Let's see price coming on again. Let's just get into it. I feel like we're going down now. Waiting for that big move. I don't know. I haven't really seen that big move yet. Seen that big move yet. Alright, I gotta get ready for work. Well, let me know in the chat. Say hi if you don't mind. Give me some love. And I'm gonna unplug the camera, but I'm gonna continue trading. Try to get out of this hole I got myself in. See ya.
I've been feeling that you really love me or like me. Romanticism haunts me. So if you're feeling something, then what are you? What are you? Just tell me. She could be
What you into? What you into?
She pushed and she